p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Platteville, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Darlington, Belmont, Elk Grove, Fayette, Lamont, Platte Mounds, Yellowstone Lake State Park, and Calamine. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Right.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for south central Wisconsin. This is the NOAA weather.